Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We are at La Mesa. We're looking at a 2025 Brinkley. This is the Air 295. Let's take a look. We like to start up front with the storage. If you notice, there's a ton of storage in here. That's because this is built on a drop frame chassis. I've only seen this, I think, once before on a travel trailer.
Not very often.
And this is because Brinkley builds their own chassis. Brinkley does it, well, we feel their quality is top notch right now, best in the industry. So you got a ton of storage. It's all finished out in here. It's really nice. You can put a lot of stuff in here. All right. You got a shower there, all kinds of different things. If you look up, there's two awnings. One that starts at the very front, goes to the door. The second one goes is on the slide. You have frameless windows. You have manual crank down jacks. Okay. You have a Lippert solid step. And you have the extension handle, which I love. Upgraded suspension. Even the windows on the slides are frameless windows. A lot of times you don't see that.
Nice.
I love that. In the back, look at the storage in the back of this thing.
That is crazy.
Right?
That's crazy.
We love that.
Yeah.
Access it from the side and all the way here from the back.
I have never seen so much storage
Right?
in a travel trailer.
Right?
Yeah.
Speaking of, or at least one this size, right?
Yeah.
Here in the back, you have a ladder that's mounted permanently. There is a backup camera already mounted on this, and you also have a utility hitch. Moving around to the side, Model Z. Your power connection is right here. You've got a storage for your Stinky Slinky, and your connection for your sewer is right there. Moving further forward, this is the other side of your full pass-through storage, but this is also where you connect your water, which is great. Let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa.
All right.
How heavy is this sucker? This is a gross vehicle weight of 11,495 pounds, right? And a cargo carrying capacity of 2,063 pounds.
Nice.
And I said this size. It's not a tiny trailer, but we've seen longer travel trailers than this. And this is a good size. As we come around to the front, this is a really unique front. First of all, you have an electric jack, but you have this metal box here, which is where your propane is kept. What's nice is you can lift the top to change things over, but you can open the sides up to get access to those bottles. Also, you see down there, that's where your batteries go, and they're covered. And you have a little cubby here for maybe a little toolbox or something like that.
Nice.
Right?
Love that.
So that's the outside. Let's go look at the inside. Hey, we want to thank Scott, Matt, and Ty from La Mesa for having us here. And if you like one of these RVs that you're seeing that we've showed you, give Ty a call. His phone number is 505-615-4052. Now, if you didn't know, New Mexico is a little bit different than most states, and there are some rules and laws and regulation here that benefit RVers. So if you're looking for one, you might find one of the better deals here in New Mexico. If you do, give Ty a call and tell him the tall man sent you. All right, isn't this kind of a cute little sort of living, dining sort of area?
It is. It's very cozy. Love
Right?
it.
It is very cozy. So, with not having a traditional dinette, you get some extra seats. Now, these are all recliners. There are some electric features, but the reclining is manual. All right. Does this one come down? See, you can fold that down if you want to have more cup holders, which is nice. Okay. To my left is where the TV is. To me, that is the only downfall of this particular floor plan, is having the TV off to the side. Now, it is on a swivel. It's tied back right now, but it is on a swivel, so it can swivel out at least a little bit. Nice fireplace below there with some cabinetry wrapping it, and a nice shelf up top. Now, the kitchen is also very unique. This front bar, which is great for prep area, but it's really sort of a dining area. That tray flips up, and you've got a couple benches that you see. So this sort of becomes the dining table area.
Yeah, love it. Multi-use. Love it. So you have solid surface countertops. We have on the island lots of storage. You have your a towel holder and storage for your plastic bags and things like that. We've
Paper towel holder.
Paper towel
Yeah,
holder.
paper towel.
Is that what I said?
It's a towel.
I said
That's
towel.
okay.
Okay.
I think it was pretty evident that it was for paper towels, but you know, Somebody would say, hey, that's paper towel. That's not towels.
Somebody definitely would, and they would probably be correct.
Yes.
Plenty of countertop space here on both sides of your 3-burner stove and oven. Love that. Above that, you've got your nice big microwave, a huge size, and there's a little bit of storage on both sides of that. But look at all the drawers and everything that you have over here.
Dovetail construction on the drawers, all solid wood, soft close, hinges and doors.
Yes, love that. Now, I want to backtrack a little bit because we got a pantry here.
And these are solid shelves, guys.
And they're adjustable.
Yes,
Love that. Yeah. And then you go on and we have our refrigerator freezer.
Side by side.
Yes.
There's solar on top, so that will work going down the road off your batteries.
Love it. We have a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. Plenty of countertop space here. It's a little bit awkward though because the sink is off to one side. You know, you'd have to put your, I guess maybe your dirties over here and your cleans over here. I don't know. But it's still plenty of
there's cabinetry everywhere in you guys.
Is absolutely love that. And cabinetry overhead as well.
All your controls are hidden behind this one right here. And the door down there is where you get access to your 12-volt panel.
Love that.
But the 295 is actually a bunkhouse, which is separated. I mean, again, this is a solid wood door, guys. It's not one thin little door. And you've got decent sized beds up here. In fact, let me get out the tape measure and get a measurement for you guys.
You do.
These are really decent size.
I agree.
You would have to climb. There's handles here to help, but you're going to have to climb to get up there. All right, so we are... Oops. I'm sorry.
Me too.
Looks like 52 by 72. 52 by 72. So it's a very odd size, but it's pretty generous.
It is very generous.
It's almost a full-size mattress.
Almost full size.
All right, same on the bottom.
Yes.
And there's cabinetry in here for whoever lives back here. No hanging, but definitely plenty of storage. All right. So that's that. Let's go towards the front. You see what's up there. Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tom's Toilet Test.
If this is your first time finding one of our videos, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing. And it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. All right, I'm on a porcelain foot flush toilet, and as you can see from where I'm sitting, I have no issues with my leg room, no issues with shoulder room at all, so this is definitely good for the tall and short. Directly across from me, you've got your under-counter mount sink. This is also solid surface, nice faucet, a little bit of storage underneath the sink there. You have 3 drawers for storing some things. You also have this cabinet here, which is accessible from the bedroom. That's where you're going to have to put your linens. So I would have to put the meds down here because this is a flush. It's backlit, but it's not a medicine cabinet. You do have a couple hooks back here on a shelf, but no other storage. Now this is raised a little bit. In the fifth wheels, they're pretty much flush floor, but here it's just raised just a little bit. But you can see I'm still not having to be in the skylight.
Love that.
I do too. In fact, you could be, I'd say 6, 7, I'd go 6, 7 max and still be able to be functional in here. Nice upgraded shower head with the rain shower head, body washes, hand spray. You've got a little basket up front. There's a couple shelves and a little bench in the back.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, love it. Getting up into the bedroom, there's more cabinetry in this bedroom, in this travel trailer, than a lot of travel trailers we see when the bedroom is in this configuration. What I mean is there's no slide. It's more of a smaller size bedroom, okay? We're going to get a measurement on this bed, but I'm going residential queen, okay?
I think you are correct.
Yeah, we are 60 and... yeah, 60 by 80. So residential queen. The only difference is it's pretty rounded here in the corners, but I think you would be fine.
I think you would as well.
We've got flanking cabinets left and right, which we'll open in a minute. There are some cubbies up there by your head with power in there, so that's where you could stash your your CPAPs. There is also a shelf above that padded headboard. Okay, there you go. We're talking about cabinetry. There is cabinetry above the bed that is a full pass-through. And then we have flanking cabinets left and right. The top is hanging. Lisa's got that right there for you. And then 2 drawers. All right. Also, there is storage underneath the bed. Plenty of storage down there. But there's also that cabinet that was accessible from the bathroom as well. So this is the side that was accessible to the bathroom. And this is all bedroom on this side right here. Love that, right? And you have 4 drawers underneath.
Very nice.
These are hooks, right? So if you're not using them, they're flat, so you don't get hooked. And you got a TV here, right? So really nice floor plan, the 295, the Air 295. These are Brinkley's first travel trailers. They came out, I think, just about a year ago now. And but this is our first look at the 2025 Air 295. So let us know what you think in the comments below, and until we see you again on the road, be safe.